Welcome to the Warner Brothers Harry Potter studio tour. We are gonna go in right now. I'm so excited, guys. This is like my Disneyland. I'm so thrilled to be bringing you guys along, so let's go.
Especially during our dark arts feature. But what are you guys still doing there? Come on. There we go, give a happy birthday, everyone. And come on in. So this is, of course, the one and only Great Hall of Hogwarts. It was one of the largest. The Great Hall stood for more than 10 years in a soundstage just over there. And you'll see that as replaced from in action in our creative workshop.
Guys, it's super busy, super crowded, but I am loving every single second of this. They have so many incredible sets and just everything, like costumes, sets, information. It's unbelievable, honestly. Like the amount of items that they have here is so good. And we're here during the dark arts one, so they just had Death Eaters that came out and did like a demonstration, and we got to take photos with them and everything, which is so cool. But honestly, I'm loving this. I feel like you could be here forever and still not see everything, but I recommend like a few hours, like 3 or 4, to like get through everything. We still have a bunch to go, but I hope you're enjoying. I know that I am. I love it, love it, love it. It's making all of my dreams come true. Honestly, give yourself so much more time than you think that you need, because the detail is unreal. There's so many things to see.
supplement it with CGI to do that. That's, I think, one of the charms of the first film, is that you've got this combination, as well as in the second film, where Harry is fighting the bastards in the second film.
I'm about to enter the Forbidden Forest right now. They have it back here. You like walk through it. It's really, really neat. I'm gonna obviously take you guys with. So I just saw like the Ministry of Magic, Umbridge's office, the scene where the Death Eaters are coming. Let's see the show and then we'll go through it.
On time like they're doing now. Oh my god.
Faithful followers to Voldemort, they struck fear into the hearts of many. As the Dark Mark appears, so they are summoned by the Dark Lord himself to do his bidding. It falls to the bravest witches and wizards to combine their power and defeat the Death Eaters.
I just got out of the Forbidden Forest and we're now at platform 9 3/4. And look, the Hogwarts Express. It's so good. So good. Oh, it looks like you can even go inside. Let's see, but it's so fun having it right here. Honestly, this is the coolest, best day ever. I'm standing outside with my butterbeer and I get this cool cup to keep, and outside in the like back lot area they have a bunch of really cool other set pieces. They have like the night bus, they have the like bridge that you see in the last movie when they are fighting the Death Eaters, and like Neville Longbottom is there. I'll take you guys over to see that. And then they also have the greenhouse, and this is like the Weasley's house. But okay, I want to try my very first sip. I've tried butterbeer in Disney World in Florida, but let's try it here. It's very good. It's kind of like butterscotchy, but it's delicious, and it was like $6 something for the $6.95, and you get to keep the cup. So not too bad. I think it's actually cheaper than the one at Disney World, but honestly this is just the best day ever. I'm so glad to be here. I've wanted to do this for such a long time, and I'm really excited to keep showing you guys the rest of the tour. So this back lot is only halfway through the tour, but I need to speed up because I've taken far too long in the first half, just because everything's so cool. But I do need to get through a little bit quicker because I do have about an hour and 15-minute train ride back into London, and I have dinner tonight with a couple of friends. So definitely enjoying it so much. I think it's worth the price. You get so much out of it, and it's really fun seeing all the Death Eater stuff right now because I am here during the dark arts time, so it's all decorated for Halloween, and they're doing like dark arts performances. It's really, really neat. So honestly, cannot recommend it enough. If you love Harry Potter, even if you don't love it as much as I do, because I love it a lot, it's still a really, really incredible experience. So can't recommend it enough, and I'm only halfway through, so I'm really excited to finish my butterbeer, finish the tour, and I'm just really happy, guys. Guys, it's literally Privet Drive. This is so good. It's so good. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. There's a big line to go through. I think I'm gonna do the greenhouse first, but let's go. Guys, that was hands down one of my favorite things I have ever done. I loved the tour so much. Seeing the set, seeing the props and the costumes, the behind the scenes was absolutely next level incredible. Honestly, like better than I ever could have imagined. I loved it so much. My recommendation, give yourself an entire day. Once you're in, you can go as slow or as fast as you want, and I wish that I would have given myself more time because it was unbelievable. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires your trip to London to come see this, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.